for rolling a cone you will be needing these ingredients. This one is a cellophane paper, these are pins, and this is, as you know, this is a sellotape. Well, so let us zoom it out. This is the paper, okay, size you can see, and these are pins. So this is the cellophane paper. Now we need to roll it like this, okay. You can make your cones like you wish in any size, okay. So let us take this pin. I'm taking this pin and I will be inserting it in the cone like this, okay, in the tip of the cone. Now secure the pin and make the tip of the cone tight enough so that the pin doesn't fall out. Now it is tight. Well, see, it is not falling, the pin is not falling out. As it is tight now, we can now secure the cone like this. See, that is how you need to make your cone, okay. As I told you, you can make it as your wish. So here are some of the cones that I have made. Well, so next time I will be back with some more interesting videos, and if you like the video, please do give a thumbs up, share the video, and please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications about my videos. So that's for all. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.